Today, we're taking a classic, Pad Krapow, and giving it a bold, beefy twist. Hello, and welcome to Majid's Kitchen. Take away the sauces, the sugar, and the coconut milk. There's not much preparation to this dish. Let's start off with 300 grams of sliced beef. I'm using a tender cut of beef like strip loin for the stir fry. 1 cup of Thai basil, a quarter of each onion and red pepper thinly sliced, a teaspoon of chopped garlic, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of chopped coriander stems, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar is the measurement. I also have a quarter cup of coconut milk. Let's start by marinating the beef. Use half the garlic, the black pepper, and half the oyster sauce. Now give that a good mix and set it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Next step, we'll make the sauce. Add the soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, and brown sugar to a separate mixing bowl. And once this is done, give it a mix. In the meantime, choose wisely a pan or a wok. When the pan is hot, add some oil to it. Let's begin stir-frying the beef. Note the thickness of this pan. Thickness of a pan can also affect the heat, as well as the type of metal being used. Go ahead and add the sliced onions. This pan seems alive, but I prefer using the wok, and you're going to see the difference. This sounds and feels a lot better to work with. A high output commercial gas range would be ideal for this type of cooking, just like in your Asian restaurants. Add chili to taste as much as you like. Coriander stems adds a depth of flavor, so I'm going ahead and adding these chopped coriander stems to the stir fry. Add the remaining garlic. Add the sliced red pepper. And now it's time to add the sauce. The Thai basil goes in. Aromatic garlic, fiery chilies, and fragrant Thai basil. Simple ingredients with big, bold flavors. So this is where the dish takes on an interesting twist by the addition of coconut milk and a little lime zest. Turn off the heat and the dish is done. A simple and delicious weeknight meal that takes a very little time to prepare. Serve with a starch of your choice. I'm using jasmine rice. You can use noodles too. Let's take a closer look. And there you have it. Fragrant, spicy, and packed with bold flavors. This Pad Krapow recipe is a must-try, using sliced beef and a twist to it with coconut milk and lime zest. If you enjoyed the recipe, please hit like. It certainly helps the channel. Share the recipe and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.